Make your own 1900 character. You may choose the skin tone. If you have 0 pets, your eyes are blue. If you have 1 pet, your eyes are lime. If you have 2 pets, your eyes are brown. If you have 3 or more pets, your eyes are green. If you have 0 siblings, you get black hair. If you have 1 to 2 siblings, you get blonde hair. If you have 3 or more siblings, you get brown hair. Get ready to pause for your hairstyle. Now it's time to pick fabric colors. Here is the dresses you can pick. It's time to now pause on your corset. Now it's time to pause on your sleeves. Now it's time to pick any extra accessories to add to your character. That is all for now. I hope you enjoy your 1900 characters.